Yo, what's up, hustlers and entrepreneurs? It's AKM Tech, and I'm hyped to drop some serious knowledge on you today. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. The digital world is brimming with opportunities to build your own empire. But here's the deal. You gotta come armed with the right skills, the kind that businesses are throwing money at. We're talking high-demand, future-proof skills that can turn your laptop into a money-printing machine. We're diving deep into the top skills you need to master to crush it online and achieve that sweet, sweet financial freedom. So, buckle up, get ready to level up, and let's unlock your earning potential. All right, number one is let's kick things off with digital marketing, the lifeblood of any online business. Every brand needs to market their stuff online. Why learn it? High demand across businesses for SEO, social media, and PPC campaigns. PPC campaigns, the whole 9 yards, and you're looking at a serious payday. Whether freelancing, working for an agency, Subskills to focus on social media management, content marketing, email, marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Number two is graphic design. Listen, humans are visual creatures. From logos and branding to websites and marketing materials, why learn it? High versatility across industries for branding, product design, and more. Get familiar with tools like Canva and Adobe Suite. Subskills to focus on master branding and logo design, Canva and Adobe Suite tools. Branding and logo design, motion graphics. Number three, video editing. Look around, folks. Video is king. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. It's all about that video content. Brands are desperate for talented video editors to bring their visions to life. Learn Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, and watch the opportunities roll in. Monetization options, freelancing, YouTube channel, or creating courses. Number four, content writing and copywriting, words that sell. Content and copywriting. Content writers and copywriters craft compelling narratives that engage, inform, and ultimately sell. Subskills to focus on. Blog writing, copywriting for sales and ads, technical writing. Number five, web development and programming. Building the digital future. Build websites, apps, software, the very fabric of the internet. Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and dive into popular programming languages like Python. Freelance for clients, build your own app, or create software as a service. Number six, e-commerce management. The world of online shopping is booming, and it's only getting bigger. Get familiar with platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy. Master store setup and management and become a marketing and sales optimization guru. Number seven, online teaching and course creation. Sharing knowledge, earning big. Turn your knowledge into a thriving online business with platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and YouTube. Structure engaging lessons, master online teaching, and learn the ropes of e-learning platforms. Number eight, data analytics and visualization. The data whisperers. Data analysts extract insights, identify trends, and help businesses make smarter decisions. Sharpen your skills with tools like Excel, Tableau, and Google Analytics, and consider diving into Python for advanced analysis. Ignite your hustle, own your future. The online world is overflowing with opportunities, but it all starts with you. Choose a skill that lights your fire, something that aligns with your passions and goals. Don't be afraid to dive in, experiment, and learn as you go. Adapt, evolve, and never stop hustling. The future belongs to those who are willing to learn, adapt, and build. Thank you for being here with us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Our comment section is always open for your opinions. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to share this with your family and friends.